guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trishna and I know I have literally been MIA from the longer format videos, but here I am with my favorite things that I love the most, which is reviewing the lipsticks which I have tried this year. So without doing a lot of talking, let's get on the video and see which is this lipstick. So I got my hands on the Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Lipstick, which is a matte lipstick. I absolutely love how the packaging looks. It is a nice sleek packaging, and also the color that you see on the packaging is the original color of the lipstick. So if you are in case confused as how the color would be, you can see the outer packaging and then you can decide on which shade you want to opt for. So if you are looking for a lipstick that has high pigmentation, which is a matte finish and is long lasting, this one is for you. Also, if you love the matte formula, this lipstick does the job really well, and you can see how beautiful the wand is. Now if you are someone who loves wearing matte lipstick, this one is for you. Also, it comes in 17 different shades, so let's swatch it together. I am obsessed with the color. Like, if you are someone who follows me would know that I am very much into these deeper red shades. I guess Indian skin tones are meant for deeper red shades and red shades in general, but a lot of people shy away from wearing it. But if you are someone who loves wearing red as much as I do, this shade is definitely for you. The shade that I have swatched is called Soft Wine, and it gives off a very wine kind of color. Now that I've already swatched it on my hand, let's swatch it on the lips as well. So this is one swipe and you can see the color payoff. I really don't think that I need to build more color. Also, it is transfer proof. It's just very little, but it has not completely dried up, but it doesn't transfer at all. So let's talk about the pros and cons of this lipstick. The first one definitely would be that it's very pigmented. Also, it is available in 17 different shades, so it will suit all of the Indian skin tones, and it is extremely affordable, and it is matte. Now this one, fun fact, that I've ordered it from Blinkit. It is sold for rupees 429, but on Blinkit I got it for 288. So I would call this literally a budget friendly lipstick, and also it's a matte finish, and the color payoff is pretty amazing, very pigmented, and of course transfer proof as well. Talking about the cons now, if you are someone who has extremely dry lips and are not comfortable with the application can be little challenging. The reason being, the formula dries up really quickly, so you cannot go in like for a second swipe. By the time you go in for the second swipe, your first coat has already dried up. So this is a big con, I would say. But if you quickly work in with your lipstick or just apply it as little bit of blurry tint kind of lipstick, this would be perfect. Apart from that, if you have dry lips, which most of us do have, I would recommend you to exfoliate first, then apply a nice thick layer of your lip balm, and then go for this. Though it will not have a very matting effect, you can just apply the lip balm, remove the lip balm, and then go in for this, for that matte finish instead of the glossy finish that you have. If you have like really dry lips, this one would be a little difficult to work with. But if you love wearing matte lipstick irrespective of the consequences, this one is literally 10 on 10 for me. The color payoff is amazing. The durability would be 3 to 4 hours including your meals. So yes, this is a definite win-win for each and everyone who loves wearing lipsticks. So if I have to rate on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this a 7. Also, overall experience would be that it's bold, it's vibrant, it's long wear. So yeah, that's it. I hope you like this video, and if you have any more suggestions, you can let me know in the comments below. If you have yet not subscribed to my channel, what are you guys waiting for? Subscribe now, and till the time I come back, please do take care of yourself and miss me.